Just by looking at something, you may say it is huge, is something very big. If something flat is very big, you say it is vast. Vast area, vast land are some examples. You can very exactly say how big or small something is by measurement. You can measure the length, breadth, depth, height, and weight of anything. Width is how wide something is. Another word for width is breadth. Length is how long something is. Height is how tall something is. Depth is how deep something is. Using a measuring tape, we can measure the width, length, height, and depth of anything. We use metric system for measurement. In metric system, we use units like meters and grams. Weight is how heavy something is. We use weighing scales to see the weight of something or someone. In metric unit, gram is the unit of weight. A kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. The space between two things or places is called distance. A meter is the unit of length or distance. A kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. You can see very small things using a microscope. Such a small thing is called minute. Average is the normal value between the highest and lowest values. The highest value is called the maximum. The lowest value is called minimum.
When my brother drives our car, he drives at a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour. Tulasi's average marks in the examination is 45%. Surya's weight is 50 kilograms. In the night, my dad observes the distant stars using telescope. Taylor took measurement for stitching my pants. What is the height of Mount Everest? The length of the box is more than its width. With the help of a microscope, you can see very minute particles. Unit of weight is kilogram. A weighing scale is used to measure weight.